What is Python programming? Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. What makes Python the most preferred is how quick and easier it is to learn and how quick and easy it is to use to achieve greater results. So what? I want to build big web applications, so you want to analyze data and draw insights from it or build machine learning models in production. Python is the most preferred programming language. Python is used as in data science, data analysis, web development, and then creating some software prototypes. Python is free and open source. If you are working on projects in the industry, you can use Python without paying for anything. Python is easy as possible. Simple syntax, and less complication as compared to other programming languages like C or C++ or Java, C, Sharp, or any other programming language. Trust me, you're on a good path because, in the industry, most hiring managers or employers prefer people with Python code because you can achieve higher results for them in a shorter period of time.